My name is Devin. I am an IT senior student at AYS. Every year, AYS hosts a seminar kind of demonstration for students to present their ideas, especially capstone IT ideas. This year we have a lot of ideas and they include from the business perspective all the way to hospital applications.
My name is Ines and my project is about management system for a hospital. What I'm going to talk about, if you go to the international hospital, you're going to find all work paper-based. There is no any kind of database and any kind of technology. What I create things because they don't want to spend a lot of money. They don't want to spend each month give salary for internet access. So what I made, I used the local host. There is no internet access. All database is going to be accessed between the doctor, reception, lab, pharmacy, and the patient will come just holding their ID. What's your name? My name is 51 or 1, and that's it. And the patient will go out just holding their drugs, and that's it.
Okay, my name is Berzi Behzad and my project is air pollution clouds. Okay, so I made this cloud out of this paper lantern, applied cotton to it with hot glue, and then I have these gas sensors. Okay, so I have carbon monoxide, air quality, and natural gas. So basically, they detect the gas concentration in the environment, and that will translate into colors in the cloud. For example, as for demonstration, so if I have this, okay, if it reaches this level, that means it's very dangerous. And if you live in an environment with this much of ppm, that's parts per million, then you should definitely going to go out because you will die in 3 minutes. Thank you.
My name is Ivan Omar. I have created an online hall reservation website. This website contains all the available halls in the city of Suleimania. Users can go to the website and choose a specific hall they want. They can have the information about the hall, the photo gallery, and they can also book the hall through a form in the calendar.
My name is Banu Umed and I came up with Smile Delivery System as my IT Capstone project. And Smile Delivery System is a project that connects the locals inside KRG cities to the refugee camps and IDP camps that we have around the borders of KRG cities. And the purpose of Smile Delivery System, the main vision of the project is to turn sad faces into smiley faces through our sufficient delivery system.
My name is Rasti Simko. I developed the EP management project in order to help have a big company to keep track of their employees' profiles, to be able to see what information they have and how to evaluate the employees for a promotion or for the ability to change them to a new department or sack them from the company.
My name is Mohammed Khalouk. My project is called Nontium. It's a social media for news. It's a website. It will be the place in which it will allow you to, it will be one place for all share news, and with this will help you with expand the user's knowledge. The user can expand their knowledge by reading what other people are sharing.
My name is Haidar Abdul Amir, and that's my project. The name of the project is BO Plus, which stands for Business Offer Plus. As you can see right here, that's the function of the program. That's the main software. You get quotations from external vendors. You store them inside the database of that program, and from that you basically create your own quotation by performing mathematical operations and using the database of the program. And after that, you export it to different formats, Excel sheet and PDF. And the last stage is essentially delivery of the document.
My name is Bahram Othman. I have this project for Soleimani in 7 days, since we have 7 days in a week. So this website provides 7 different places for the users of the website. The places provided by the website is going to be based on ratings from users previously. Let's say you're a user and you're going to rate on the website. There's a place called, let's say, Grand Millennium. You really like this place and you want to be on the top. And when you rate 10 out of 10, this place is going to be on the next week as well. So basically, this website creates your guidance for the users and for the visitors outside of Soleimania.
My name is Botan Osman Muhammad, and this is my capstone project. It's about a personal parking guard in order to avoid people parking their cars in your place, and it can be used by a remote control, or also if you have an infrared receiver from your mobile phone, you can use it. In this situation, the car cannot come to your place, but if you push it down, then the car can come to your, you can park your car in your place.
My name is Aram, and my capstone project is about an online application that allows patients to book an appointment with their doctors in few clicks. The application allows them to book an appointment at home or their jobs. They don't have to leave their home or job just to make an appointment. So this application is very useful for both the doctors and patients. It's eco-friendly. They don't have to use a notebook or papers anymore, and also it saves them time for the patients and the doctors as well.
My name is Akwali Abdullah and my major is IT. This is my project is to get rid of problems in election days, to get rid of these lines and this counting of voters, cause and you just go skip the lines and you go online to vote, and votes will be systematic on the internet and technology. And this topology, this is my topology for the network, and this is the interfaces which is the voters and the users will be access to in the election days.